Hi everyone, Greg here. Well, it's food review time again, and today I'm going to try a food that I've never tried before, believe it or not. Korean fried chicken. There's a new shop that's just opened up down the road from me, so I thought I'd whip in and give it a go, see what Korean fried chicken's like. Anyway, I'm right here. Let's do this. Now, I was just talking to the owner and he told me that they've been around since 2010. They've got another shop at Southport and this one at Mermaid Beach. And they are planning on opening another one soon at Sunnybank. So if you're up in Brisbane, you can try this too. Anyway, this is a selection of food he's given us. It looks absolutely fantastic. Let's take a look at what we'll be trying today. We've got the Ayers Rock chicken here. That's a crunchy caramelized chicken. We've got the spicy barbecue chicken, which is a smoky spicy chicken. And we've got the teriyaki chicken, which is a rice bowl with teriyaki chicken. Man, it all looks absolutely delicious. And another good thing about this place is that it is licensed. Thank you very much. Okay, well let's start off with this Ayers Rock chicken. Oh man, that looks good. It's a little bit sticky. The covering on it looks absolutely delicious. Let's go. Wow, it's got this really nice light coating over the top. A little bit sweet, but also a little bit spicy as well. A little bit sticky too. But super crunchy. Wow. Oh, that's good. This has sort of got a real crunchy texture. It reminds me of like a Chinese style fried chicken, but much lighter and just really good. Oh man. And it's so juicy. Let's try some of their chips. Shoestring style. It's got like this herby, spicy saltiness about it. Really good. Nice and crunchy and light tasting as well. How about we try this spicy barbecue now. Can't wait to see how spicy this is. I do like my spicy food. Now this is sticky. It's got a really nice sticky texture about it. It is still crunchy as well, but it's got a light sort of flavour about it. It's not heavy at all. It's just nice and light. You can taste the barbecue flavour in there. It's really moreish. Now you can see the sauce on this. It looks quite thick, but when you touch it, it doesn't actually sort of come off. It's a nice thick sauce. It just grips to that chicken, grips to that batter. It doesn't fall all over your clothes or all over your nice white shirt. It's just perfect for clumsy people like myself. This really is a taste sensation. I haven't really experienced anything like this before, but I tell you what, it's something that I do want to experience again. Now I know why Korean chicken's becoming so popular over the last few years. It really is a nice alternative to American fried chicken. Now this is supposed to be spicy, and well, it is, but it's not an overpoweringly over the top sort of spicy flavour. It has got that real kick to it that sits on your tongue, but it doesn't like burn your mouth and make you sweat. It's actually a really nice spice. Now all the plates come with this coleslaw here. It looks absolutely delicious. All homemade. Let's try some of this. Wow, it's got a real sweetness about it, but it's not from the sauce, it's just from the vegetables that they're using. It has got a little bit of creaminess here. Really complements the chicken. If you were feeling a little bit full from the chicken, this sort of just helps you digest it and cleans your mouth out for your next round. And what my next round is the teriyaki chicken rice. This here looks really good. Oh yep, there's the rice in the bottom there with the chicken on top. Let's try this. Classic teriyaki taste. Now this teriyaki chicken's pan fried and it's not too sweet. Some tend to be a little bit sweet, but this one here, the balance in flavour is just perfect. Let's try some with the rice. That really is delicious. It's using the short grain rice here, which is perfectly cooked. It's nice and warm. The sauces on it just match it perfectly. It's packed full of flavour, but it tastes nice and light. It's just a really nice, delicious teriyaki rice. Oh man. So this teriyaki rice bowl is $11, nice and filling, as are both the other ones, which cost $13. I tell you what, you get the chips, the chicken and the coleslaw, $13. I will be struggling to finish this meal. It's a good sized meal with great flavours. Well, there you go, Korean fried chicken. First time trying and I am a convert. This place is really good. The portion sizes are huge as well. The price is right, the food tastes great, and I was talking to the owner, and if you mention that you saw this video on Greg's Kitchen, with every order up until Christmas, you'll get a free can of drink. So make sure you let him know that Greg's Kitchen sent you. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you next time for my next review. Catch you then. Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the